Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Stand in place for the first 20 seconds or so and look up just before the singing starts. Twirl your right hand in, then out, and bring it up to the side of your face as you step out to the right with your right foot. Keeping your right hand up, step back in with your right foot, and twirl your left hand up to your face in the same manner as you step out to the left with your left foot. Step back in with your left foot, then back out to the right with your right foot and cross your arms in front of your face. Step back in with your right foot, then uncross your arms and clap twice. Step back to the right with your right foot. Extend your right arm straight out to the right and bend your left elbow so that your hand is near your face as you look to the right. Switch the position of your arms and look to the left. Switch back to the right, then left, then right. Lean forward slightly and roll your arms up and to the right 3 times before clapping and kicking back with your left foot. Repeat this move on the opposite side, but when you bring your right foot back down, bring it in near your left foot. Bring your hands up and out to either side, palms facing down, as you face the camera with your heels turned to the left. Turn your heels to the right and bring your arms down a bit, turning your palms so that they face up. Do this again with your heels turned to the left, right, and left, moving your arms down each time and turning your hands accordingly. Repeat section 1 of part 1. Bring your right foot over near your left foot and put your left hand behind your back. Move your right hand from left to right as you bend your knees slightly and lean to the right a bit. Now put your right hand behind your back and move your left hand from right to left as you bend your knees again and lean to the left. Put your left hand back behind your back and point to the left with your right hand while bending your knees and leaning to the right. Then point to the right with your right hand as you bend your knees again and lean to the left. Cross your arms over your chest as you lean to the right. Make a heart with your hands, then lean forward as you move your hands toward the camera. Take a step toward the camera with your right foot and extend your left arm straight up. Bring your left knee up as you lower your left arm and punch upward with your right fist. Step down and back a bit with your left foot as you move both fists in small circles, keeping your elbows bent. Step back with your right foot and punch downward with your right fist. Repeat all of these moves again. Step out to the right with your right foot and with your elbows bent, swing your arms to the right. Hop over so that your right foot is where your left foot was and your left foot is further to the left as you rotate your fists in a counterclockwise circle above your head. Hop again so that your right foot is back out to the right as you rotate your fists in a clockwise circle above your head. Now swing your arms to the left, then bring them down in front of you and swing them to the right, then left. With your elbows slightly bent, bring both arms above your head as you bring your right foot up and back, then step back down and out to the right with your right foot. While turned slightly to the right, bring your left arm out in front of you and move your right arm back. Now, turning slightly to the left, extend your left arm straight up and bring your left foot up and back as you bring your right hand forward and twirl it a few times. Move your right hand in a bit further as you bring your left foot back down a bit further back from your right foot. Extend your right arm out to the right as you stand up on your toes, then bend your knees, look down and drop your arms, bringing your left hand down near your right foot. Look up at the camera, then stand up and spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. Jump slightly, bringing your feet apart as you move your hands out to either side with your elbows slightly bent and your palms up. Slide your feet back together and clap your hands in front of you. Step over to the right with your right foot as you move your arms out to either side, keeping your elbows slightly bent, then touch your left foot down behind your right foot as you turn your arms so that your elbows are pointing to the left. Step back out to the left with your left foot as you spin your arms in a counterclockwise circle, then step behind your left foot with your right foot so that you are facing slightly to the right. Extend both arms up above your head, then put your left fist on your hip and punch upward with your right fist twice. Step back out to the right with your right foot so that you are facing the camera again, and bring your right fist up and to the left, then pull it down and to the right as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. With your right foot back out to the right, move your right fist back up and to the left, but bring it further up this time, then pull it down again as you turn your left foot to the left and bring your toes up. Do this move in the opposite direction. Take 3 steps to the right, starting on the right foot, then hop on your left foot as you kick out with your right foot. Take 4 steps back, starting on the right foot, as you spin in a full circle to the left, then keep spinning until you are facing the left, and kick out with your right foot again. Turn to the left so that your back is to the camera, and shake your hips and both arms, keeping your elbows bent, to the right, left, and right. Turn to the right until you are facing the camera again, then jump up, moving your arms out to either side. When you land, step in place a couple of times, then jump up again, bringing your fists up near your face. Step in place a couple more times once you land, then jump up once again, extending your left arm forward and your right arm back and to the right. Once you land, take a few steps back, then bounce in place 3 times. Repeat parts 1, 2, and 3. Repeat part 1. Step over to the right with your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it. Now step over to the left with your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet it. Repeat both of these moves 3 more times each. Step out to the right again, but step in place with your right foot before bringing your left foot over to meet it. Do the same on the left, then again on the right, then again on the left. Do this again on the right, but lift your foot up higher when you step in place. Repeat on the left. Bring your right foot up one more time. When you bring your right foot down again, lean forward and slightly to the right, and bring your left arm down and your right shoulder back a bit. Switch so that you are leaning to the left with your right arm down and your left shoulder back. Repeat on the right, left, right, and left. Repeat part 3, but instead of just bouncing twice at the end, bounce twice, then bounce 3 more times while shaking your head to the right, then left, then right. Repeat part 1 twice. Jump over to the right, touching your left foot down behind your right foot as you bring both arms up, then down a bit, keeping your elbows bent. Move your arms in the same manner as you jump over to the left and touch your right foot down behind your left foot. Plant your right foot and extend your left arm straight out to the left, then spin your right arm in 2 clockwise circles. Swing your right arm behind your back, then swing it over next to your left arm. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot so that you are facing to the left, and bring both arms up as you bend your knees and lean back a bit. Spin your right arm down and back, then back up next to your left arm before moving your arms down and bending your knees further. Stand up straight and face the camera again. Step toward the camera with your left foot as you punch out with your left fist, then bring your foot and hand back in. Jump slightly, bringing your feet apart as you punch out to either side with both fists, then bring your feet back together and your arms back down. Punch up with your right fist, then step toward the camera on your right foot as you punch out to either side. Bring your right foot and your arms back in, then turn away from the camera and step out with your left foot as you punch out to either side again. Bring your arms down again as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot, then turn back to the camera and take 4 steps forward. Repeat the first 4 counts of Section 1 of Part 1. Repeat Section 1 of Part 5. Stand up straight and face the camera again. Punch out with your left fist, then jump slightly, moving your feet apart as you punch out to either side before bringing your feet and arms back in. Punch upward with your left fist, then punch upward with your right fist twice. Repeat the first 6 counts of Section 1 of Part 1, then spin to the right until you are facing the camera again. Turn to the right until your back is to the camera, then slowly point up with your right hand.